Good day, grade 8. I am your teacher, Marie.
Good day, grade 8. Now we're going to discuss a new topic. Let us enjoy watching while learning.
Mathematical system in geometry. Each branch of mathematics, such as algebra or geometry, is an axiomatic or mathematical system. It has its language and properties. A mathematical system is a structured form from one or more set of undefined objects, various concepts which may or may not be defined, and a set of axioms related to this object and concepts. A mathematical system consists of four parts. First, we have the undefined terms. Second, definition. Third, axioms or postulates. And fourth, we have theorems. Undefined terms. Terms that cannot be defined. Those terms are descriptions to further understand their meaning. Here are the three undefined terms in geometry. We have point, line, and plane. Point. Although a point has no dimension, it can be represented and visualized as a dot, and it is denoted by capital letters like point A, B, C, and D. Line. It is thought of a long straight path. Although a line has width and no thickness, it can be extended infinitely in opposite direction. We can name a line by naming any two distinct points on the line. Sometimes, lines are denoted by small letters like L, M, and N. Plane. A smooth, endless, and flat surface that extends infinitely in all directions suggests a plane. It can be denoted by the script letter such as A. Defined terms. Defined terms or definition is a statement that gives a clear and accurate explanation of the meaning of the word or phrases. The undefined terms are commonly used to define geometric terms. A mathematical definition must be based on undefined terms or previous defined words. A good definition must name the term being defined, classifies the term into a set or category, and distinguish it from other terms without unnecessary fact. A good definition must also be reversible. For example, a triangle is defined to be a polygon with three sides. This definition means that all triangles have three sides, and all polygons with three sides are triangles. In the previous lesson, we have discussed some definitions which are relevant in writing proofs. Here are other examples of defined terms. First, if two distinct points are connected with a straight line, then a line segment is formed. It has two definite endpoints. Number 2, a ray starts at a given point and extended in a certain direction to infinitely. The point where the ray starts is called the endpoint. Third, the two rays are called its side and the common endpoint, the vertex. A closed plane figure formed by connecting three or more segments at their endpoint is a polygon. The segments are the side and the endpoint are the vertices. Polygons are named according to the number of sides, like a triangle, a three-sided polygon, quadrilateral, a four-sided polygon, and a pentagon, which is a five-sided polygon. We can determine a good definition if it is reversible. The definitions are also biconditional statement, which means the conditional and its converse are true. Example, definition of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle with two congruent sides. Conditional statement, if a triangle is isosceles, then it has two congruent sides. The converse statement, if a triangle has two congruent sides, then it is isosceles. The two statements are both true. Postulate or axioms. Postulates are a statement in which the validity of truth is assumed even without proof. The term postulate is usually reserved by geometry and axioms for all other branches of mathematics. As with undefined terms, these are needed because we cannot possibly prove every statement as it would lead to an unending process. Axioms must be consistent, they cannot contradict each other. Also, one should not be able to deduce an axiom based on other axioms. In this case, the former should be considered a theorem rather an axiom. Here are the basic postulates in geometry. We have 2 points are contained exactly one line. Every line contains at least two distinct points. Every plane contains at least three non-collinear points. If 2 points are on the plane, then the line containing this point is also on the plane. Any 3 points lie at least one plane, and any 3 non-collinear points lie is exactly one plane. If 2 distinct planes intersect, their intersection is a line. Theorems. A theorem is a statement that has been proven using undefined terms, definition, postulates, or other previously proven theorem. Theorem or proposition are a statement that can be derived from axioms, definition, and previously proven theorem using deductive reasoning. When instructing a mathematical system, mathematicians often want to build as many theorems as possible using few axioms. In fact, you could build a logical chain of 465 propositions based on 5 axioms and 5 postulates. In this sense, deductive reasoning is said to be fundamental building block of a system. Example, consider the axiomatic system consisting of the following. Undefined term, we have Yuli, Nili, Kali. Definition, Gina is a Kali Nelly. Every Kali Nelly is also Yuli. State of theorem, if any based on the above information, we have the given answer. Gina is an Yuli.
Thank you. Enjoy watching while learning. This is your teacher, Miss Marimar F. Figalan.